Today's tip is hydration. 9 out of 10 people are dehydrated in every moment. And you say, Veronica, I know the hydration is good. I drink a lot of water all the time. If you're reaching for that cup of water when you're thirsty, that means that you are already dehydrated. You're supposed to drink a few sips of water every 15 to 20 minutes throughout the day. So drinking 8 to 10 cups of water every day, it's the norm. Obviously, that depends on your body weight. But I also want to bring your attention to liquids that are dehydrating you. Coffee dehydrates you. Alcohol dehydrates you. Any type of sugary drink dehydrates you. Even the cold iced tea dehydrates you because it has a lot of sugar in it. So anytime you drink coffee, alcohol, anything that is dehydrating, you are supposed to drink a cup of water to make up for that cup of coffee, and then you drink more water to actually count towards your needed water for the day. So here's a trick. If you wake up in the morning and you have 2 cups of coffee, now you need to drink 10 to 12 cups of water throughout the day. The beauty of water is that it leads to so many health complications. Even when I have a client that says, I feel lightheaded, I have a headache, I don't feel well, first thing I say is go drink a cup of water. If they're like, oh, I have cravings, what do? Drink a cup of water. Oftentimes, when you're thirsty, you're thinking that you're hungry and you end up eating processed foods. But if you drink that cup of water, it would raise your satiety level. One last thing that I want to mention, and I see it in American culture all the time, and we don't do this in Romania. It took me years to understand why. So in America, with every meal, you're drinking several cups of water. Normally, water is alkaline, hopefully, if it's filtered. When you're eating food and it goes into your stomach, it has to be a certain amount of acidity for that food to digest. And when you're drinking water during the meal, that messes up with your digestion as well. So I would highly recommend to wait to drink that cup of water after the meal, or preferably before, and then you end up eating less, but not during. It's just something to keep in mind. So go grab your filtered water, stay hydrated, and I'll see you on the other side.